Hey guys, today we're going to do a review on the meross carbon monoxide alarm. When people think of meross, they think of smart products, but meross does not only do smart products. So what I've done is today I've got this one to test, which is the meross GS828. I have had this on test for the last week or so, and it is holding up to what it says. It's got a it's got a 3-year warranty on it. The carbon monoxide alarm has got a lifetime of 7 years. And what we're going to do is we're going to show you what's in the box. You will get an EU Declaration of Conformity card, the user guide, fixing screws, and of course the carbon monoxide alarm. Right, let's just start. The technical specifications of this is it's a Type B to provide visual and audio alarm only. It does come with batteries already in. All you do is when you receive it is you just open the battery cover there like that. The batteries are all will already be in, and there'll be a little plastic tab. You just pull the tab out and then you just put the cover back on, and then you're set. Right, so what we're going to do is have a look at the rest of the specs. The standby current is 20 UA, average alarm current time is less than 15 milliamps average, sensor type electrochemical, and alarm sound is over 85 decibels at 100 centimeters. Basically, it is a loud alarm, which I will demonstrate for you by pressing the test button. Right, that is the alarm, and what will happen is when the alarm goes off, it will go off and it'll go up louder. So, right, on the front what you've got is a display panel which is clear to see. So you can see the LED display. You've got a fault light, the power light and the alarm light, and then what you've got here is the test and silence button. Basically, if the alarm does go off, all you do is press the silence button and then it will silence the alarm. It will tell you the ppm level of carbon monoxide that it is detecting. At the minute it's detecting no carbon monoxide, which is a good thing. If it does go off, you will need to contact the emergency services straight away, because you will have a lethal dose of carbon monoxide in your house. And if you're like me, I'm concerned about the safety of my family and myself. So basically, that's it. Right, the case, it's got an LCD display, carbon monoxide detection, 85 decibel alarm, 20 to 40 meters square capacity. They do recommend to install these in either a basement or a bedroom, and if you are going to install it any higher than the second floor, it will be required to meet the NFPA recommendations. Right, the quality of this carbon monoxide alarm is good quality. As I say, it's from a leading manufacturer, which is meross. Meross's products so far, in everyone I've tested, are good quality products. The casing does not feel cheap. It's not the type of plastic you're gonna grab hold and squeeze it like that and it's gonna snap. It's not. It's good quality plastic. Basically, as well on the front is your speaker. So basically, there's not a lot I can say about carbon monoxide alarms. Like I say, it's a carbon monoxide alarm, not a smoke alarm. You can buy these on Amazon. I forget how much they are, but they're not expensive. Basically, what I would say is the price you would pay for these is cheaper than your family's lights. So I would, if you've not got one at the moment, I would advise you to get one because they are valuable. It's like I say, this is a good quality one. I will give a disclaimer, Meross has not paid me to say anything in this video, and I discussed this with Meross. I was open with them and said that if I do any reviews for them, the reviews will be unbiased and they will be 100% honest. If I think it's crap, I will say it's crap. If it's good, I will say it's good, and it's good. So that gets the disclaimer out of the way. The only thing I've got from this is the carbon monoxide alarm itself for free. So I've not been paid for this review or been asked to say anything in it. Basically, there's not a lot more I can tell you. So like I say, it's got a 7-year lifetime, which is good for a carbon monoxide alarm. It's got a 3-year warranty on it. So if it goes down within that 3 year, contact either Meross or where you got it from, and they will replace the item for you. If it's older than 7 years, which is a lot of time for a carbon monoxide, and if it does last that long, you do know you've got a good product. So basically, all I would say is give this carbon monoxide alarm a try. It is available at Amazon and other leading places. I will be putting this on the wall tomorrow because it's like I say, I do value my life and my family's life. So it's really needed. Don't be daft and not go and buy one because it's not worth it. It's really not worth it. In the user manual, what you've got is right. You've got. I'll just move this out of the way. Right, you've got installation instructions. Tells you how to install it. everything, and it advises you where to install it. So like I say, the screws and the fittings do come with the product. Batteries are included, as I say. On the next page, it tells you, it gives you an understanding of your CO alarm. It'll tell you what the display looks like, normal operation, fault warning. If there is ever a fault on the front of the carbon dioxide alarm, there is a fault light which will flash and light up if there is a fault with it. So if there is a fault, like I say, get in touch with meross or wherever you get it, Amazon, wherever. The middle light is a power light that will flash about every 30 seconds to tell you that it's on. As you can see, it's flashing green at the moment. When it alarms, I think that alarm light lights up red, and it will be loud, and it does get even louder, which can terrify you a bit with an alarm that loud. So you are going to be safe with the best thing about it, you are going to be safe with it, because guaranteed the loudness it does will wake you up. So basically, I'll show you what else. It'll tell you also in the display if there's an error. It will say ERR. In the LCD, you will get, if your batteries are running low, you will get LB, which is your low battery warning. As I said, LB. If it ever displays end in the display, that means the lifetime of the carbon dioxide alarm has ended, which means it needs replacing. Here as well, it will tell you the ppm setting, the ppm reading, 30 ppm without alarm before 120 minutes, 50 ppm between 60 to 90 minutes, 100 ppm between 10 to 40 minutes, and 300 ppm is less than 3 minutes. It'll also tell you what to do if an alarm sounds. Test the alarm regular with the test button. They recommend you test it every time you replace the batteries. It tells you battery installation and replacements, and a bit more information there. I'm not going to go through everything. You can read it all when you get it. Right, they're under normal conditions, humans typically have low levels of carbon dioxide between 0.3% and 0.7% present within the body. These levels are considered neither beneficial or harmful. If you are a smoker, you are not going to set this alarm off with your cigarette, because I have tested it, and it does display carbon dioxide, which is going to be normal because it is in your cigarette. Your cigarette does contain carbon dioxide, but for the alarm to alarm, it has got to be constant, non-stop carbon dioxide from your gas supply. Tobacco smokers are exposed to significant concentrations of carbon dioxide. In cigarette smokers, the COHB concentration varies between 5% to 9%, while other cigar smokers may exceed. Um, so it's basically like I say, you're not going to set it off accidentally with your cigarette. So basically, that's all I can say about it. It is a good alarm, really well made, loud. It is going to wake you up in if you get carbon dioxide leak, and also it is going to wake you up because it is loud. It's like I say, it's 85 decibels. And what will happen is it'll alarm at a low volume to start with, so it doesn't startle you, and then it does get louder to make sure you are awake. So it's like I said, go get one. They're not expensive compared to your family's life. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this review, and I'll see you on the next one. If you did like this video, please click the subscribe button. If you're viewing on YouTube, also click the like, click the subscribe, click the bell. That'll work on YouTube's algorithm to tell people it is a good video and it is recommended to watch. So I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Bye, guys.